Good morning, rail fans. It's Wednesday morning. What do we have for you today? Scary. Anyway, I am at Ackerville. I'm going to be catching a northbound passenger train on the CN. Those of you who have been following my channel for a while know there's no such thing as passenger trains on the CN Waukesha sub, unless it's a business train, which is what we're going to catch. Quite a few rail fans on Facebook have been posting a status of this train, so I figure why not come out here and shoot it. And of particular interest to me is that the lead locomotive is one of those newly rebuilt, I believe Gevos. I think they came out of Texas. So the lead power is actually going to be pretty clean, which is kind of unusual for the CN. And this train is moving fast, so this might be considered a short. Heck, my talking might be taking longer than the actual train catch will, but sorry. Anyway, enjoy the catch, and I hope this creature behind me leaves me alone.